Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a little last minute impromptu video. I was on Instagram yesterday and I had an eyeliner flick going on and everyone was asking how I do my eyeliner, how do I get it looking so perfect, all this stuff. Definitely doesn't end up perfect looking every single day, let me tell you that. But I thought I would show you two different ways how to do your eyeliner from a beginner level to a more not advanced, but you know, maybe seasoned. So if you want a super easy way to learn how to do a cat eye eyeliner, then just keep on watching. We have a nice blank canvas to work with. I suggest trying your eyeliner without mascara, eyeshadow, literally anything on your eyes. It should be the first thing to practice with. Although, a little top trick, I like to do my eyelash curler before, just because some eyeliners, whenever you use it after you do your eyeliner, like your eyelash curler, it can remove your eyeliner a little bit, which is really annoying. So I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes so whenever we're done the eyeliner, we can put our mascara on. The easiest way for me specifically would be a really sharp, tiny angled brush. This one is from ELF, so super cheap. And then a black gel pencil liner. You can use a dip if you want, but sometimes I find even that gets a little glidey, where the pencil version has a little bit more grit to it, obviously because it has to stay in a pencil form. So I just like work away at it and then go on. I don't know, that's just personal preference. But if you want to use a pot and dip into it, you can use that as well too. In case anyone was wondering, this is the Makeup Forever M10 black gel liner. I'm just gonna use this little angle brush and kind of work away at getting some product on my brush. So I've coated my brush. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit more actually. All right, hopefully that's better. We're really up close and personal now. So we have our angled brush. The easiest way to start a winged liner is do it with your eyes open but looking down. Don't close your eyes or like pull your eyes, anything like that. Keep your eyes open, look down into your mirror with the pointy side of the angle brush facing outwards. I'm literally just gonna stamp a little mark on the side of my eye. Hopefully that makes sense. You can even look straight into your mirror if you're feeling confident enough and lift your eyebrows just a little bit so you're lifting any little excess skin at the side there, and bring it towards the inner corner of your eye. So that is line one. That is probably the hardest part about this entire situation. So once you have that line, you can flip the pointy part in, go to the outer corner of your eye, and just go in little short strokes until you feel comfortable and you meet the outer line, just like that. And make sure you're going really close to your lash line as well, or else if you close your eyes and you do it, you will notice there's a gap in between your lash line and your eyeliner. So try to do this with your eyes open. I know it sounds a little bit scary, but practice does make perfect. So take your time with this and do try it with your eyes open, because then you won't have any gapping. I'm gonna grab a little bit more eyeliner on my brush. You wanna just work in slow motions. This is probably the easiest technique, but it also is probably the most time consuming just because you're going at a slower pace, which is totally fine. This is a great way to learn. So if you want the line to just be ever so slightly thicker right in this corner, I'm gonna go from that outer point, drag my brush across, and meet it in the middle there. So now you can see there's a dip, but that's okay. We can just fill it out. Look down a little bit so that you can kind of see what is going on. Once you feel like you have the shape that you want, you can go ahead and close your eyes and really fill it out to the opacity of black that you want. So I feel pretty comfortable with that shape. It's not too intense. It's a nice little flick of a line, and I'm just gonna go a little bit more heavy with the black liner now. See what I mean as well? I have a little bit of my upper waterline showing, so I'm just gonna take my brush and get in there as well, so it kind of camouflages that skin color. So that is our first eye with eyeliner. Really easy and simple. You can see already the difference it makes to your eye. It really gives it a little bit more of an almond shape, a little bit more of a sexier look. It's super simple, but the effect it has on your eye is pretty major. I love a good cat eye. So that is the easiest way for me personally to do it. It takes a little bit longer of time, but if you're trying to get into it and you really want it to be perfected, I highly suggest trying it with a brush and some sort of gel liner, just so you can take your time with it, do it in shorter strokes, and you have a little bit more control of the eyeliner that you're gonna create. So now on this side of the eye, which is definitely my harder eye to replicate, I'm gonna show you how I normally do my eyeliner on an everyday basis. When I say every day, I mean like the days I actually have time to do this, but I'm using a felt tip eyeliner. This is my favorite way to apply eyeliner. This is like my go-to for like more of an everyday wearable kind of look. This is the OFRA liquid liner in Verified. I think it's just their black one. It's a little felt tip. The sharper, the better, and not too wet. I find when they're really wet, they tend to like bleed out a little bit and then it's just a hot mess from there. So we're gonna use the same technique. I'm gonna look forward. I'm gonna use the pointy side outwards. With my eye open, I can kind of see where I want my wing to go. If I want it straighter, a little bit more lifted. This is the biggest tip. Do it with your eyes open. Okay, so this one is like going straight but up a little bit. So we're gonna try and replicate that. You can see it's a little bit finer. That's okay, we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna pull it all the way in. So now I have a little triangle at the side there. I'm gonna flip it this way now, looking down a little bit more, but not with my eyes closed. I'm gonna go right into my lash line and connect it to that wing. Filling out the upper waterline. So you can see using a felt tip, like more ink type liner, is going to be a lot more intense, a lot sharper, a lot bolder, where this side is a lot softer. This is perfect for a beginner because you still get the effect of a cat eye, but it's a lot more blurred out and not as in your face. I'll even move a little closer. So those are the two different eyeliner techniques that I would use. Obviously they look ever so slightly different, but it's to whatever makes you feel comfortable. I know even using a brush and black shadow is a great way too. I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm gonna concentrate it a little bit more at the outer corner of my eyelashes just to enhance the cat eye look furthermore, but I just wanted to show you the eyeliner because I know you guys have been asking for a while. That is it with mascara on. Oh, I love a good cat eyeliner. It's my kind of thing. Olive is watching Trolls World Tour in the other room, so if you're hearing crazy music in the background, that is what's going on. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this look. I might zoom out a little bit because I feel like you're right in my face. I hope you enjoyed. It's short and sweet, but I just wanted to show you my personal technique with doing a cat eye. Hopefully it was helpful. Let me know if it helped you at all, and let me know also a color to do for the month of April. I have no idea. I was thinking maybe blue, but let me know in the comments down below what color I should do for my color series video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Keep safe, stay home, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.